I tell students who are interested in history that our department has all manner of advantages to offer. Those advantages begin with the quality of our faculty. I get to work with a group of just extraordinary Christian scholars, highly motivated, experts in their field, but also deeply committed to the undertaking of education.
I would say that the relationships I have with my professors are the most valuable and have kept me in the department. Dr. McKenzie and I, we share meals every quarter or so, and he's my advisor as well, so talking about courses and the course of my future vocation and things like that have been really helpful.
I think it's really exciting to be a part of the history department. First, for the students. They are just incredible, thoughtful, engaged, eager to learn, and they challenge me as a teacher and as a scholar. And then I have fantastic colleagues who are tremendously supportive and engaging and just fun to work with and be around.
I think in high school a lot of what you do is just learning history and just kind of absorbing all of these facts. But once you get into college, you're still learning and studying history, but they also place a huge focus on actually doing it, on doing independent research, and so you're doing the work of history, which is really cool, and I've enjoyed that a lot.
Studying for papers have actually been really fun. You know, getting through those resources, discovering different things, having the professors let you discover those things on your own while developing your papers and walking with you side by side. It's been really, really cool, really awesome.
Christian scholarship in history helps foster humility. We don't look arrogantly upon the past. As C.S. Lewis says, chronological snobbery. I think that a Christian community helps avoid that. And also, it's just transformative knowledge. I mean, when you really interact with the past in a Christian context, I think that it really transforms how you look at the world.
So we think about the study of the past in part as an act of worship. We think about the study of the past in part as a way to pursue a heart of wisdom. One of the things that I tell my students all the time is that when we study other times and places, it allows us really to see our own day and age with clearer vision than would be possible otherwise. And you know, Corinthians tells us that we're supposed to take every thought captive to obedience to Christ. I just am convinced that history is important to that process, because we can't think deeply about aspects of our values that we're not really aware of. But one of the things that history can do is to help us to see those values, and in seeing them, we can begin to think about them deeply.